we have XOXO. We have got Totally Dazzled Valentine. These are the ones I'm going to want to use. Oh, I think I want to use rose gold. Look at how precious that is. I love this, but they got a prize for us. I love the lips. I love the lips. I love that the little cherub has the hole at the top to make it a dangle on a journal. I also love that his little wings are blinged. Look at this one. This is actually 2 pages, and it's just very cool. It looks like watercolor. And this one. Now we're gonna mix it up on this. The first thing I'm gonna do is, before I decoupage down, I am going to go ahead, we're gonna paint the edges of this with liquid gold. Get some of this pigment. This is a powder. You can see that's a powder. We're gonna get some of this pigment. And I need quite a bit, okay? I have pigment infuser. I have mine in a bottle. It's called Posh Chalk Pigment Infuser. I use this as my decoupage medium. You'll see me use this all the time. Decoupage medium, as a sealer, and this is the perfect thing to mix up my pigments. Isn't that beautiful? That's the beauty of this product. It can be cleaned up with water. Soap and water. That's it. Okay. Love it. Okay, so this is this Posh Chalk Pigment Infuser. Okay. I'm gonna get a paintbrush, put a generous amount down. I mean, you don't want it too wet, but you want to cover it. It dries very quickly. So you want to make sure have it down there good. And I'm just going to press it down. I'm going to set this right here to dry for a minute. Over here. There we go. Okay, let's do another one. On this one, I think I'm going to do 2 on this one. I like to use a nail file. I just find it very convenient. They're easy to use, easy to get in all those crazy corners and areas. Goodness. Here we go. There is one. X's and O's. Look at how sweet it is. Okay. Let's look at this. We've got XO, XO. Okay. Where these will sit, you will not be able to see the back of them. That doesn't matter. I still want it to look good. Okay. So. Goes, and I love the different things. I'm almost tempted to just glue it together, but then I can do what I want with it. Okay. So This one got mixed up, but there's some pink in there. That's the pink I want. I want pink. So I'm going to get my B7000, which Totally Dazzled now has in these full bottles. So that's a great thing. And we're going to shimmer up some little areas of these flowers, okay? And there's actually a darker pink in here also, which I think, I'll tell you what it's called in a minute. There is our XOXO. I'll hold each one individually up for you. So there's the bling on our X, the bling on our O, bling bling. Okay, I like the kiss on there. And we're just gonna say swack. There we go. A little kiss right there. So, you guys, Totally Dazzled, again, thank you. You knocked it out of the park with these packs.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.